Hello people, this is Angular JS.
Hello guys, this is Angular.
I work based on JavaScript front-end framework.
Have you heard about open source TypeScript framework?
We support MVC framework.
We use components and directives.
Not supported by mobile browsers.
Supports all popular mobile browsers.
Does not use dependency injection.
Hierarchical dependency injection system is used.
Less manageable.
Better structure, easier to create and maintain.
So guys, please like and share the video.
Also subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates.